Yo, 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 what is going on? What's happening? Oh, looks like we're smack dab in the middle of the open. How's it going, guys? How's it even going? Alright, so 12 a.m. is here. This is 11 p.m. all the way to 12 a.m. So this candle here is that one. Go to here to here. Here to here. That's where we are so far. getting in here. We're getting to it. So Father, in Jesus' name, we just pray that you help us today. Help us to keep our mind straight and right and on you. You just help us with our mind reading that. Also, we align with your will. Don't try to push things too far according to ourselves and our current abilities right now. Skills that pray that you fix the mindset. Father, and then we just have a really good day. Doing really well. Amen. All right, let's do this. Let's make this happen. You know what I mean? The coffee. The coffee. You know. If you know, then you know. You know. Let's see. I don't think it allows me to log in anymore. It does not. I think we will have to buy another account. I think we will. All the volume was there.
Order filled.
Knock it out, but you know, it's never over till it's over, right? Even when it's over, it's never over.
Yeah,
unfortunately. So yeah, I'm on the 15-minute here. I'm gonna go back to the one. I just wanted to leave this up to show kind of the price action from the overnight and where we were in the ES. If you guys have something to share, by all means, you can take over. But I'm just going to do a little cleanup work on my chart here.
Quite this second. But I am
Stop filled.
potentially. It's good that we're pushing down because now I can see an area where I'm interested potentially to buy. I'm just gonna. It's still moving very quick, the market, which I don't like. It's fine.
Yeah, this is where are we? 6:30. We're only here. I may have to remove my rocket ship. It may be foreboding. 6:20, 6:30. So yeah, this is it. This is the profile right here, and it's very Gaussy and very bell-shaped. Just another kind of consolidated open like we had the last couple sessions. It's been a little maybe easier to read on the volume profile, but I like it. It's clean.
It's already pushing up annoyingly. There was an area very close to where I would like to buy for a scalp, but it looks like it's made its move before it got there. Annoyingly.
I gotta find my pointer. There's my pointer, my makeshift pointer. All right, we'll go back. We'll go back to real time here. I was in outer space, both to the right and to the top. It was crazy. I didn't know where I was.
We can show my screen too. Actually, we can, if you want to switch to
let's
my
do
screen,
that.
I can kind of
I got nothing
I
going.
can show my levels. Just show my levels for the ES and yeah, go from there. We can look at gold and stuff too. So whenever you get a
Yeah, we can switch to
second
Paul.
back.
I'll start marking up my initial balances and stuff in the meantime. We'll come back if we need to.
Pluvio Man says, if I had the same amount of tabs open as Daryl has on his PC, my PC would blow up.
Oh yeah, when I
Mine's
was
here,
sharing
Robert's
that,
here as well.
Good.
Awesome.
And those tabs,
need-
Pluvio, that's only on one screen. It's only one browser.
Oh man.
Yeah.
All right. While the
let's
back
switch
end
over to
works
Paul.
on sharing my screen. Yeah,
Yeah.
I contacted
There we
them.
go.
Okay, cool, sweet. So yeah, these are my levels. Actually, my POC might be a little bit different, I guess, than Coach Daryl's. But my value area low here, where from yesterday's session, is 6402 on the ES, and then my POC is 6410, and I have a value area of roughly 6414. So basically, this morning in the later part of the overnight, we have the market testing that value area low, and then we opened, and now we've literally been just testing that, but we're staying in between that and like my point of control that I had from yesterday's session.
We have
So
to worry about. Cool.
looks like extreme comfort is what it seems like. Extreme comfort / indecision. So not a whole lot, but my thought is wait for the first 30 minutes at least. See if we can't either test the value area low more and then get like a huge amount of volume or something that shows like, okay, we don't want to go below here, or see what I'd actually prefer to see is a break of this area on larger volume, a pop up on smaller volume to retest it, the value area low as resistance, and then fail off of it and come down. Possibly testing like the overnights or yesterday's like previous day low or something like that. But let's see if I can't get the 1 hour up here.
Yeah,
So,
your point of control was kind of where mine was, but mine shifted like 15 minutes before the open, and it may just be how I'm tracking the data, but it's very close.
Yeah. So yesterday's in the pre-markets yesterday, we had like a low of 63.91. So I would like to see like maybe a move below value area low, come back up to resistance, or come back up to that level as resistance, and maybe then fail through this level, and we could see some sort of drawback to like, I don't know, the 63.72-ish area. So that would probably be the dream scenario, but you never know. You never know what's going to happen. And then on the, let me reset my chart here. Then on gold's making some decent moves this morning.
What's going on?
But we did gap down on gold. Yesterday's low was 33.54, and we opened at 33.45-ish. So maybe we that would have been interesting. That would have been interesting if right here in the last 45 minutes the gap was filled and then it reversed down, but it wasn't even able to get up there. So kind of in an odd situation with gold, and I'm gonna probably just have to keep an eye on that one. How about the MNQ?
Yeah.
Pull up the market profile. Yep, and what do you know? We opened up in yesterday's range and inside the value area of yesterday's session on the NQ, and the range being, or the value area being 23,345 to 23,400, and we opened up at 23,360 ish. So yeah, this is a patience game, I think, this morning, honestly.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I took
News
a
is
really
news
quick
is
scalp.
thin.
It lasted.
Okay.
It lasted 20 seconds. By the time I couldn't share my screen in time, but it's fine.
Yeah, show your screen now. You can show
That's
us.
an
what
20
happened.
seconds is an eternity for Coach Troy.
It was so quick.
Milestone trade.
Let me just realize I wasn't actually sharing all this time. So give me 2 seconds. Which screen is it? It's that one. It's full screen. All right, should be sharing. Okay. Yeah, if the back end want to pull up my charts real quick. So it was a really, really quick scalp. Can you guys see my charts?
Not yet.
Yep, I can see him.
Yeah, we do.
Yep.
Now we do.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, so essentially, this candle right here. So right here, we had 100 contracts, buy contracts come in on one price level, and then we dipped into it. We kind of went a bit below, and I kind of just kept my eye on the order flow. And then right here we had 100 sellers come in, and instantly it started rejecting. So I jumped in for a buy, and basically got out like up here, just as we started peaking bigger numbers on the buy side that kind of looked like they were getting absorbed. So got out. Also the point of control as well here. So naturally there's going to be a bit of pushback. So it's like a very quick scalp. It barely lasted 30 seconds. So. But yeah,
great scalp.
That's good. That's good. Yeah,
I wanted to buy. I realized I got the zone a little bit wrong. I just redrew it now properly. This is what annoyed me. So this is so silly. But here's the zone, clear as day. That's the gap in volume, right? So that would be my area to buy. And we did dip into it. But what I had, I put it as a 5-minute chart. For some reason, on the 5-minute chart, the gap is here. So I'm not entirely sure why it's changed the volume. So that's why I was like, I wanted to go a little bit lower and then I'll buy. And then when I switched it back to the 1 minute and double checked the zone, I was like, the 1 minute's actually here. So that's a bit annoying because I missed a really nice buy opportunity right there. That would have been a lovely reversal, but these things happen. So yeah, check different time frames. Sometimes volume profile can, for some reason, sometimes changes with different time frames. I'm not entirely sure why that happened. I've never seen that happen before, but okay, is what it is. Robbed me of a trade, but it's fine. What can you do?
Hey, you made something. You made something a little bit later, so it's fine.
Yeah. And there's going to be plenty of opportunity, I think. Got a nice little zone just here as well. I potentially might want to short, but ideally I'd love to short the one right at the top here. This would be, this would be the one right here. I'll be all over that if we got up here. Oh yeah.
If we get up there, yeah.
Short.
Yeah. We're just happy sitting in the middle.
Order filled.
Kind of like what the NQ's doing. I mean, ES is just. We may see a move up now, a little bit, but it just doesn't want to break out yet. And
yeah, it could very much be a range.
I'm not going to engage.
I mean, we're still very much within the confines of a range, so especially on the higher time frames, if we go to like the 1 hour.
Well, the IBs are sitting at
order filled.
7 points, guys, in the ES. That's all we got so far this morning.
Yeah. But yeah, if you just look at
actually
I
less
mean,
than
since,
7 points. 6 3/4.
Yeah, so yesterday and so far today, this is
Order
one
filled.
giant range essentially on the higher time frame. So we're still very much in that range phase. So I'm still treating it as a range. If we get near the bottoms, I'm happy to buy it. Get near the top of these ranges, I'll be looking more likely to short it. So until it does something else, until it breaks out, until it,
Order
you know,
filled.
which is weird because for some reason on the 5 minute it's different, but here on the 1 hour, yeah, that's the gap. Works perfectly fine on the 1 hour. I don't know why the 5 minute is different.
It's odd.
Very annoying. Oh well.
Yeah,
Does
I don't know.
the,
I've seen
What
that,
can
actually.
you do?
Yeah. Well, the NASDAQ is breaking through its own highs in the regular trading session right now, so some bullish momentum going on there.
Maybe the ES will follow suit.
Maybe.
I am bullish on the day still, only because, you know, high profile target, all-time highs, and we seem to be doing it.
Stop
So,
filled.
until we don't, I'm still bullish, right? I mean, that's just kind of my bias at this point.
Order
Doesn't
filled.
mean we'll come down. No, of course not. But, you know, we could do anything.
Yeah.
The area's rejecting actually.
Yeah, now it's coming back.
Could have actually got a scalp in that area.
All right.
There's quite a lot of buyers trapped at the top of this candle, but there's also loads of buyers in the bottom of the candle. So
See, now it's
yeah,
coming back. Now it's
I can
coming back
imagine it
down.
will.
Should have stayed in. What?
These buyers are defending that area. I think it will blow through this area. And then that was just a small reaction. I could have scalped that, but small reaction, nothing more.
The volume on the ES is like, feels like nothing, honestly.
Low.
Very low volume.
Low, for sure. Yep.
Dang, see?
Yeah. So far, anyway. But, I mean, the overnight
Stay
had quite a
in,
lot of
man.
volume.
That's all you have to do.
You know, it's just, it's kind of like you either get a normal, typical open session, or if it's a little kind of muted like we are now, it's each the overnight or the regular trading hours is taking their turn, right? It's like, who wants to run with it? Now we're breaking out of highs a little bit on the ES up to 64.10.
Yeah.
And we'll see
The
if
Dow
it
just
carries
bounced
through
off
here,
its low.
but, yeah. And I get to move my
Ooh, good
IB, but
absorption
I'm
right
still sitting on my hands.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Probably
Ooh,
I'm
sellers coming in hard.
looking for an opportunity to get long.
The sellers are coming in hard. So many buyers in this stretch here, they're all defending their position. The sellers can't break them down. So while sellers are coming in very aggressively right now, they're not having an effect. They got absorbed very quickly. And the buyers are still far more aggressive. So they defended that area really nicely. Okay, so I could potentially get long. What I'm looking for is a bit of more of a breakout. Gonna come back into this area and then I'll get long. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, loads of buyers trapped now. Right here. Huge amount of buyers trapped.
Yep.
Let's see if the sellers this time can break through all the buys. There's loads of buys right here in this kind of area. Let me find, oh no, a bit higher up. They're about there, all the buyers. See if the sellers can break through.
Talk about a Gaussian shaped profile. I mean, this thing is like symmetrical as you can get almost. Which just tells me everyone's happy. Auction's doing its thing. We're ranging. We're going up to the top. Yeah, you know, you'll get a few buyers. They like it down lower, comes back down lower. If it goes to the south side of the point of control, yeah, comes back up. Most of the action's right in value area, right trading in the middle. So,
yeah. Well, looks like the NASDAQ's going again. Jeez Louise.
Yeah. And
those buyers
ES is right
in that
behind
area
it now.
there.
Here comes the ES. Here comes the ES.
Defending. They are defending
Order
very well.
filled.
Dow is diverging
Okay, now I want it to
from the
come back
NASDAQ
into this
again.
area.
Mhm.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
It's just going to get on Troy's rocket and go to the moon. Never going to come back. Never going to come back for you, Sam.
Troy will die. If you like.
Yeah, it looks like it's not going to come back, is it? All right, well, the next area. Oh, wait a minute. Something's happening. I see it retracing. Ah. Stay.
Wow.
Come on. Bit more. Drop a bit more. Come on, boy. Drop a bit more.
You still, I mean, you still
Loads
got
of
like
buyers
200
trapped
lots sitting on. Yeah, like 64.13 in the
Right,
ES.
right.
Has just been liquidity there for the last 15 minutes. Actually, no, it's been there since we opened up. There's been more that came in at 64.15 price. Will we get to that liquidity? I tend to think
Order
we
filled.
may. So the viewers listening to that, they may say, well, if you think it's going long, why don't you just get in now or anytime, right? Just get in. If it's going long, just get in and hold for the wave.
Con as a scalper.
Because, you know, here you go, Sam.
All right,
Here's
here
your
we go, here we
opportunity,
go.
maybe.
Here we go. Here we go. I'm just waiting for footprint confirmation. The sellers are very aggressive. I'm looking for absorption. I see a bit of absorption. I'm in. Okay. Back up to the highs. Now my stop has to be, annoyingly, 382. 382 on the dot. Oh,
Order
those sellers are
filled.
coming in very aggressive.
Order filled.
Don't break the
Ooh.
Order
zone.
filled.
I wanted to get long with you in the ES, but I'm, I think it's looking a little.
It's all right. It's all right. There was a bit
Yeah,
of
it's holding, it's
overrun,
holding,
but the
it's
buyers
holding.
are coming in.
Stop
Buyers
pick,
are
man.
coming
That's
in.
all it was. It's good. You're good.
Buyers are coming in. It's just a little bit of overrun. It went down a bit lower than expected, but that is the absolute.
You're good. You're good.
382 is where they're getting absorbed, the buyers now. Those sellers who came in originally, they're very, very aggressive.
Geez, the lower wick is like
Come on,
two
buyers.
ticks away from 382. That's crazy. You had that was a perfect stop at the moment.
He held.
Yeah.
He held.
I mean,
strong.
if it
Good
goes
man.
lower than that, then come on, these sellers are coming in aggressive again. The buyers kind of pushed them up, but this area has to hold. If we want a continuation and to go to higher, go a bit higher, this area has to hold. If it doesn't, then I have to short the market. But I may get out if I see anything I don't like, because this is getting quite, this could become a bit of a range kind of market. If that's the case, then, well, I'd better off get the hell out. Buyers are, realistically speaking, the buyers came in at 387, which is where we are now. So if the buyers can't defend it much here,
Order filled.
I think it
I
might
just
be
don't want to
game
get in
over.
because we're right on point of control. For me, I just don't want to. There's not enough range here for me to get. Because I don't know where the upside is, right? If I get in long, I'm playing for 3 points currently based on the rotation at the top.
Come on,
That's
buyers.
the thing that's
Don't get
holding us
Order
back.
filled.
Order filled.
Don't get absorbed. You're getting absorbed. Why?
Yeah.
Come on, a bit more
What do you
aggression.
mean,
You can
what do you
break
mean,
through
why?
these sellers. These sellers are weak.
Let's go. Let's
They're
go.
feeble.
There you go.
We're stronger. They're getting absorbed. These feeble sellers.
Oh, looks
Come
good.
on, break through them.
No, you're okay.
There's a lot of absorption
Hold.
happening. I'm holding. So
Yeah,
I want
but
to
that's
hold a
okay.
little bit.
Yeah. You're gonna
Oh,
push
that's a
through.
lot of
Yeah,
volume.
there he goes.
A lot of volume.
You're okay.
That's a lot of volume. They're getting absorbed. I'm out.
Oh.
I don't like it.
Ah.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Darn.
Order
Well, they
filled.
broke through that, but it's fine.
Yeah, I was
I
gonna
was
say
happy.
you got out early again. Yeah, you did well.
That's what I do. That's always
know.
what I do. I always get out. The moment I see the first sign of trouble, I want to get out. I'd rather take my money and just build up the balance
Right.
like that. Little
Yeah,
hits here.
there's
and
nothing
there.
wrong with that.
To me.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, and then with the Nasdaq
All right,
being
we're-
so
we're-
just whippy, that doesn't help your case either. With the ES, I think you probably can hold on a little bit longer because
Dang
it's
it.
not as whippy. But with the
Yeah.
Nasdaq, geez Louise, it's like split second.
Oh, you're absolutely right. Like on the ES, I used to hold way more than I did with the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, like you're absolutely
Stop
right.
filled.
It's so
Stop filled.
skitsy in the way it moves. Yeah, because it can just wick you out, and then
Stop
alright,
filled.
fine. That happens all the time,
Yes.
but you have to get
Yes.
back in again and stuff. So
Yeah,
when it gives you something, I just take it. I'm happy.
yeah.
Yeah, in a tight range, you almost have no choice, right? Unless you're just holding for a breakout or a
Yeah.
breakdown. But yeah, I
Right.
mean, we got an awesome 8-point range in the ES through the first half hour.
This is what I'm talking
if you
about,
want, if the viewers want to know what the definition of coiling means, this is when a market coils and just like a rattlesnake or a python or something ready to just bust out, right? It's just something will happen. But I mean, Trump's still talking. I'm looking at news and he's still talking about, oh, we're going to send out 200 tariff letters to countries. We're going to do this. Market's just like sleeping on it. But it's all been said before. This is nothing new. What we're hearing, right? It's all the same conjecture until it's done.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, we're starting to
Alright,
range in
here
this
comes
area
the-
now.
Yeah. The Dow is making new lows on the day, while the Nasdaq pulls back from the highs. So that's, I think, why the S&P is just in the middle of its own range. It's just all the sectors are fighting with each other at the moment.
Yeah, it's a great point. Because
If you guys want to take over, if there's anything you want to show, feel free, because I'll probably be 20
My
minutes
chart looks
or
like-
so before
my chart looks like
anything
Pong.
happens.
my chart is the most boring, simple thing you've ever seen. It looks like Pong. I mean, it literally like. In fact, where's my pointer? I gotta get my pointer back. You guys will see what it's hilarious. Oh, come on.
What are you drawing?
Yeah, that's not me. That's you. You're pulling up the emojis.
Oh, right.
no.
Yeah, I'm drawing something. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
This is
you.
my bear area.
Yeah, that's you.
I'm calling it
You're
the
bear.
ultimate. Every bear you can imagine. We've got a panda bear.
You're
grizzly
Yogi Bear.
I think I saw a koala bear as well. I think they had. Yep, they have a koala
We
bear.
did. There's a koala. There's a
This is-
panda. Oh, there you go, panda. Good. Oh my
This is,
God.
any other bears?
I love it.
I think those are all the bear species. Yeah. Awesome. That's the bear area. That's what I want to sell.
Oh my gosh.
I want to show. What do koala bears eat? They just kind of sit.
They
in
eat
trees all day, don't they?
eucalyptus. Eucalyptus leaves.
Oh,
Eucalyptus.
Okay, let's find. I don't think they have
I don't know if you'll find
eucalyptus
eucalyptus
emojis,
tree.
but they got some broccoli. I mean, that's close enough, I guess.
No,
for the
that ain't gonna
koala
work,
bears.
dude. No. Broccoli's not gonna work. No way. No way.
Oh no, they got some leaves.
Speaking of broccoli,
Actually, there you go.
what? It looks like a shrub.
there we go.
That's good though. That leaf is perfect. There you go.
Pandas eat bamboo, right? So let's see if there's any bamboo.
Pandas eat bamboo.
for the
I was
panda.
looking for bamboo. I got something good. I'm working on.
What is
Okay.
this? Is this
Welcome to
bamboo?
kindergarten, everybody.
that's a-
we're
that's a
gonna have a
breadstick.
little doodle time.
I don't think
this
there's
is
any
great.
bamboo.
Where did I see it? Yeah, I don't see. I see a cactus, which is cool. I see Christmas trees. That's cool.
All right, I'm gonna be extra cool. The panda gets chocolate.
Extra.
So why not?
Oh, you may kill that. You may kill that dang thing. You may kill it.
Panda
Yeah,
bears.
chocolate may kill that. I don't know.
They can eat chocolate.
Oh.
It's a big, strong beast that can handle a bit of chocolate.
Oh yeah, for sure. They'll break through car doors and windows to get to a chocolate bar. You kidding me?
This is a chocolate with some jams on it, just to make it, build its immune system. There you go. With a virus on it.
Virus.
And,
What the heck?
and the other bear gets a fish. That's what they like to eat. They like to eat fish and salmon. There you go. That's my lineup. All the different bears. Their meals are ready. Just got to come collect it.
Come collect. Jeez.
For added protein, the fish has an ant on it. Just
Dude, what did
bit
you
more
put on the
protein.
chocolate? A bacteria? A bacteria?
Like an amoeba.
Some kind of amoeba or some kind of crazy.
Thank you.
Oh my
Yeah.
lord!
To build its immune system. That's it. You got to expose yourself to these things.
That's too good.
Oh my lord! Oh my lord!
Goodness.
There's
man.
nothing on the leaf though. I feel the koala bears it's kind of left out here. We're gonna put something on the leaf.
I put a big sloth hanging on my point of control, Coach Paul, just hanging there because it's just like slow moving. It's just like, well, what are we doing? We're not doing anything. It's just like the sloth trade of the day or something. I mean,
It's true.
God. It's
To figure out what's happening
Yeah,
here.
I want to do something, but there is really not a whole lot to do. I'm having a feeling that the gonna need to let the first hour go through, and then once the initial balances are set up, maybe we can do something. But
I'm with you. I want to do something, but I'm not. That's the smart move, is not to do it right now and fight that FOMO, fight that urge to just kind of get in and make something happen when there's nothing there. Don't do it. There will be, my experience always tells me, and I'm sure you guys agree, when it's tight like this, it may not stay tight all day. Something's going to happen, and it's going to, if it moves, it can move pretty good because it's just kind of tight wound. So, I mean, most of trading is sitting and doing nothing, meaning not actively in trades or clicking or moving stuff around. It's
We're
just
chilling. We're hanging out,
between your ears, right? That's a lot of trading.
trying to just
Being patient, and
see
waiting
what we can
for
do.
Your edge, your proper setup, the probabilities, everything that we use to our advantage in a random random world of what we call the markets, because every day the markets are never the same and the participants are never the same.
Mm-hmm.
That is true.
So Bravo Zulu loves the broccoli, Sam. He's Bravo. I don't know. I think this may be your first time with us in the session, and we love having you here. But we do a lot of this fun emoji stuff because, you know, why not? It makes it interesting. We love doing it too.
Deep down, we're all 12.
Order filled.
That's the reality.
Yeah, no, less than that. I think it's like kindergarten time. Yeah, it's like.
Oh, there's a surfboard. Ride the market waves on
Whoa.
Prime TV. Very nice.
No.
Oh, that's
Stop,
cool.
Phil.
I see it.
Son of a gun.
Yeah.
Love it. That's awesome.
Oh, Bravo Zulu FX is Tom. From yesterday.
Order filled.
And the Trader Spot.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Hey, awesome.
That is right.
Hope you're doing well. To the viewers who don't know, yesterday we had a Trader Spotlight where I interviewed Tom Rogers, I think he's first
Junior.
place. We call Tom
Yeah.
Junior. Yep. And yeah, what an incredible story. We'll definitely have him back on the show because, yeah, I mean, he had
Order
he
filled.
had a crazy story. So I can't wait to see and hear more about it.
Yes.
Coach Iris is here as
Come
well.
on,
She goes,
break
why
it.
is that koala
Break the
getting
tap,
a red
we
yellow
did.
pill? It's antibiotics, just in case he gets infected by cross-contamination of the virus here. Keeping them all healthy.
You know that eucalyptus is very toxic as it on its own, right? Like, that's one of the rare things that koalas can digest.
Stop,
Like,
Phil.
most animals can't have eucalyptus.
Already?
I think they get. Yeah, I think so. I think
That's
Iris
crazy.
probably knows. She probably could correct us.
Probably, yeah.
Order
All
filled.
right, we're approaching
We're at
that
the top
area.
of the range of the day.
Daily.
Yeah, we're at the top. We're at the top. ES is doing the same thing the NQ is doing for you, Sam.
Come on. Come on. Break above.
I wanted to go between the two blue
Break
lines,
above.
ideally.
I want it.
To look to short, I'm assuming.
Give it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wants to go get the fish. He wants the bear to get his fish, and the panda to get the amoeba. The amoeba, the petri dish, or whatever the heck he made down there. My God. Eric loves it too. Yeah, we're trying to find something to do right
man.
now. I mean, we get
That's
we
not
got
yet.
within a tick. We got within a tick at the top of the range, and nah, ES says no go. Same with your NQ, no go.
Not yet.
Oh man,
I know I drew out the white area, like the white box area, but that was, I mean, that is the gap. There's another one just
Maybe you need
a
to move
little
your
bit
bottom
above,
blue
I can
line
see
down
on
a
a
little.
different platform.
Yeah.
Well, this is the area where that would be really a good reaction if we got in there. So I'm hoping this
Right.
is just a joke right now and it's not actually the move, because that would annoy me. No, it's good. It's good. It's coming back. It was just a.
But you know, when it ranges like this, you're gonna have an opportunity to get back up there again. That's just the nature. So it'll come back.
Yeah.
If we're ranging
Yeah.
like we are,
Sometimes
just
it can
give it 5-10 minutes. It'll come back again.
Sometimes it can get so close and then takes half an hour to just get to the area you want it to get to. But yeah, no, I'm looking at the order flow. Definitely between the two blue lines. That's the ideal area.
Right. Right.
On this
I see, I see.
platform, it has it a
Stop,
little
Phil.
bit lower. I'm not entirely sure why, but other platforms are telling me it's a little bit above. So I think it depends on the settings. I mean, you can play around with the volume profile settings. I never reset this
All
one up
right.
properly. Yeah, I did row size 24, and the other one I got row size 15, I think. So the row size is like that, which means, yeah, so you can see how it's shifted up a bit on the other platform. There we go. So this is the area, which is, yeah, pretty much within that blue line. That kind of lines up. That's good enough for me.
Yeah, yeah.
Order filled.
Come on.
And coming back up again.
Order filled.
The Dow is fighting to get back up into its initial like 30 or 15-minute range area. It really wants to try and trade higher, so that's kind of interesting.
No. Bears, what are you doing? I didn't ask you to drop now.
Drop.
I'm taking away the food because they broke the rules. I asked them to get right at the top, and then they can have the food. But
Come on.
they're gonna
down.
try
Drop down.
get it early. I'll snatch the food
There
out
you
of my
go.
hand
It's
before
actually a really good drop point.
fulfilling
I like
their
it.
end of the bargain. Then no,
Let's go.
no food for you.
Let's go. Let's
Starve now.
End of the
let's
bargain.
break all the way down, please. All
Put some
the way
better.
down.
Put some like junk food down there for the grizzly bear, or brown bear, or something. Put like some drumsticks. I see there's hot dogs, there's pizza, there's burgers, fries, pancakes. We got
Keep coming.
donuts.
Keep
Put some
coming.
junk
Bears
food
would eat
down there. Maybe
anything,
the
right?
bear
Keep
wants to-
coming.
Of course, they're oh yeah, they eat everything. Omnivorous, man. They eat trash. They eat cans, tin cans, whatever, everything. For sure.
The thing is, I don't want them to go down. I want the market to go a bit further up and then do
Well,
exactly
I know,
what it just
I
did.
know. Then
Stop
go down.
filled.
But you're moving the food away. So I'm
No,
just
it
saying,
was that one. What?
Maybe tempt them with different
Okay,
food.
maybe if I move the food higher,
Ah,
the market, or
There
if
you
that
go.
doesn't work, you have to threaten them. This is the only way you're gonna speak the language of the beast. So I'm gonna find
Of the-
a bow and arrow.
Of the beast.
If you don't
language
go
of the
up, you're gonna have to go up.
If you don't
If you
go
break
up,
this
you're
low-
going up.
If you break this low, I will.
Spoken like
I'm not afraid to use it.
Come on.
sound like I don't know what you sound like.
Some like Pulp Fiction or something. Samuel L. Jackson.
Yeah,
Shoot.
if you That's awesome, man. You bring it up to Pulp Fiction. That's cool. That is cool.
Oh, these bears. Oh, these bears. They're not intimidated by the bow and arrow, which I get. It's an old weapon. All right, fair enough. Let's see what else I've got in my arsenal.
Fair enough. I guarantee you that koala's intimidated. He's like, get me out of here.
Jeez. Making me cough.
Okay. They don't. There you go. I know it's a water gun, but they don't know that. You're gonna have to go up. If you don't go up, your buddy gets it. The koala. I feel like the grizzly bears. There you go. So now he's listening. As soon as you threaten the koala, the grizzly and the panda, I'm like, okay, I'll back off. We'll stop. We'll go up. That's it. I bring the market up to those two blue lines, and then I'll be nice again. There we go. Good. It's actually working. Sometimes you have to do these things, you know. I don't want to be this guy. I didn't want to have to do that, but
This is Meet
like
Sam,
showing the side.
aka Market Maker, emoji Market Maker. He's trying to force it right here. This is good stuff, man. Oh, can we break the range? Oh, we came right to it in the ES. Oh, we broke it. We ticked it. We ticked it, boys. Oh. See, the ES is going up to your bears, but I don't know about the NQ. I don't know why it's not reacting.
Yeah, the Dow's really been taken off. I think we get to that point of the day where all the markets start kind of trending with each other now, which could lead to a little bit of a bullish day.
There we go.
Right,
had to inch the gun a bit closer.
I get to move my IB by a
now they're listening.
Woohoo!
They're listening now.
All right, now we got some. Now we got some sellers.
Just in case they fall out of line, I need to have a backup plan.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Show them what they will look like after the fact, maybe with some skull and crossbones.
Order filled.
Yeah, I had that up. That's awesome. Yeah, we should.
No, come on, man.
Or
Come on.
could have a volcano nearby, ready to erupt. But I feel that's just devastation.
Blow the top.
You know.
Raise the roof.
I don't want to destroy everything. You know.
Pompeii, man. Don't be doing
get hurt, so. Exactly. That's too brutal. That's too much. I gotta. To be fair, some McDonald's fries. That's poison enough for them. I'll force feed them McDonald's.
That sounds like some really good
McDonald's
poison right now.
push up.
You're making me really hungry, actually. Shoot.
Ooh, I know.
It's bad.
Yeah,
for
this
you,
trade's
but
not
it's
looking
tasty,
good.
so.
Exactly.
Eric's like, thank God I made 3,800 before I woke up because this market's a snooze fest right now. Yeah, he's right. Oh man.
I don't know. I don't think this is working anymore. I think I might have to show I'm serious and take out the koala.
Ooh,
They're calling my
not
bluff
5.
now.
I think we want to go with like maybe 2 contracts.
Maybe I can just injure him. You know.
Oh God.
That won't be hard to do. It's a little koala. But they got some crazy claws, those things, apparently. The way they grab.
Oh, I got
Like super sharp little
long
claws.
distance weapons.
Like little Wolverine claws.
Stop
yeah,
filled.
I'm gonna have to do something. They're disobeying
Stop
it.
filled.
Stop filled.
They're calling my bluff. Oh, what is that? Okay. Dynamite.
Dynamite?
Do you want to mess with me now?
Oh, dude, you're forcing the
Koala
market
is
down. Look at
sitting
this.
on
You're forcing the market down, Sam. Look. For
I
real.
will do it. I will do it. I will find a bit
Putting a
of
stick
light.
of dynamite.
Okay,
Here
I'm
we
gonna
go
light
down
the
to point of
dynamite.
control.
I'm gonna light the dynamite. Where's a lighter? I need to find a lighter.
It's
Calling my
like
bluff right now.
it's like Walter White's brother-in-law at the end when he's like, you know, the guy already made, like, you're such a smart guy, but how are you dumb enough not to see that he already made his decision? That's Sam. Sam already made his decision a while ago.
Well, boys, I've taken a long trade.
I will set. Good, good. Actually, yeah,
And
there you can
it's
see.
not normally where I would take it. Not normally where I would take it, but I took a long trade. At the point of control.
There you go.
There you
Oh, yeah, that's interesting.
And I'm aiming for a slight breakout. Maybe I got my take profit at 411 half.
Order filled.
And I think where did I enter? I entered at 07 on the nose. 2 contracts long. So let's see what happens.
Okay.
I'm gunning for Sam's panda. Looks like. Equivalent.
Tight
Oh,
stop.
show your
Just out of
screen.
the range. Yeah, you guys could share my
Back
screen.
end, back end. Pull up Daryl's screen. Yeah.
Yeah, they're on me. They're on me.
That sloth.
So
With a
I got
cigarette.
in. Yeah, I know. With the cigarette, yeah. I got in right here, and I'm just obviously aiming at the top. It's not much, but it's a 4-point move or so, 4.5 points. I'll take it. I'll take what it'll give me now.
Yeah.
I'll get
Honestly, I would too.
A little bit. Cigarette.
Tom
There you
says,
go. But
yes,
there you go.
you have
Oh,
to
no.
beat one in front of the others, Sam. The others will fall in line.
Come on.
Here we go.
Come on. Yeah. I like it. I like it. We're 4 minutes from my IBs being set. Wouldn't that be ironic?
Yeah, I would be just happy with even getting to 64.10. Honestly, that's pretty. Just to play that range.
I would. I'm gonna lock in because there's nothing here, so I'm locking in a point and a quarter for something. There we go.
Beautiful.
Come on, give me a little love. Let's go up to 13. I'm moving my take profit. 13 quarter above the stops. Let's go. Let's sweep it. Sweep it. Good call, D. That was a good call. Let's go. Even if it falls back here, I'm okay with it. May fall back. Doesn't even want to get to that. Look at it's just so resistant.
It's trying.
I mean, this is
not
like
the most
this is like
volume, but
watching.
It's trying.
It's like a slow Asian session. It really is.
It is, yeah.
That's what it's feeling like.
I'm trying
honestly.
to trade wheat.
Yeah.
Trying to trade wheat on a trying to trade wheat when Tokyo opened up and Sydney's already been open an hour and nothing's moving. That's exactly what this is like right here. It's like, oh, yeah, here we go. Sydney opens and Tokyo comes in and nothing.
To be honest, if you get away with some profit on a Friday, that's always a win. Fridays are odd days,
Yeah.
so
Tiger, I thought you were sleeping, buddy. Go to sleep, Tiger. He says, hopefully PETA isn't watching. Sam, he's a little disturbed by your animal abuse behavior.
I was never going to do it. It's all just a bluff. But it worked. It worked. See, the market's pushing up now.
Come on.
Order
I may have to
filled.
remove my sloth and put something more active in there. Let's go up.
I just realized you could probably do an emoji of Tiger, Coach Tiger. So you have Tiger, and his name is
We
Tiger
could.
Berry, right? I'm sure there's a berry emoji.
That's right.
Tiger
Yeah, there is.
emoji. That's awesome. I wish I could have an emoji.
You could do
that,
bowling pins.
you know, spell my
Do a
name
bowling
as an
pins
emoji.
with Tiger. Yeah, yeah. He's watching his $0 long, then he's gonna go crash out. Good job, buddy. Have a great weekend,
Nice.
Tiger. You've earned it.
Yeah, have a great weekend.
Yes.
Oh, it's slow now.
I forgot to. I was saying it in the quiet market session last night. I forgot to look at the Russell. I was saying if it gets slow in like the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ and whatnot, that I would look at the Russell to try and make a trade. And what do you know? At open, it just sold off,
Stop
and we've
filled.
been in a downtrend again. Son of a gun! I feel like I missed. Some
I
stuff
recall
there.
I recall hearing you say in one day you're going to shock everyone and say, "I just entered the Russell." In some position.
Exactly. That could have been today, and I
'Cause
fumbled.
no, there's
I
no
fumbled
love
the bag.
for the Russell 2K. There's no love.
There's absolutely none. It's gonna happen.
There we
sooner
go.
than later.
Let's go. Let's go. IB is set. Wouldn't it be funny if my IB gets just tagged and rolls over? Come on. I mean, wow.
Order filled.
Typical range.
Order filled.
Mhm. Come on.
Well, there's nothing for me to do either. I mean, you know, this is at least I'm fortunate that I'm in the money. So I moved, right? I moved to lock in some profit. So there's really, I got nothing to do here, but take whatever it wants to give me.
Exactly. I've got alerts.
So what I was saying earlier about Pong, this chart without the sloth, it just looked like kind of like a dunk, 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 dunk. There was nothing here, man. It was just white and gray bars because I keep it real simple. I'm pretty boring with my charts like that. But yeah, it was like total Pong, man, or something. All right, came down, took me out. All right, so I'm out with a profit. Okay, that's cool. Look, it didn't even get there. That's crazy. Didn't even get there, though. All right. Back to the drawing board.
Well, good
I'm
day
looking at
to you
gold
as
to
well,
see if I can't do
Coach
anything.
James.
Yes, Coach James, have a
Good
great
day.
weekend. I don't know if he's saying good day is good day, goodbye,
I think he's saying like good day and hello. I
just
think.
hello, maybe.
All right.
Yeah, Tiger
While
likes
this
his
market
emoji.
wakes up, draw the tiger emoji. We need a tiger and a berry.
Let's do it.
Let's-
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I think
While-
we have.
while
Do
we're-
we have a white
We're gonna
tiger?
try-
We have two tigers. Oh, here we go. Beautiful.
What kind of tigers do we have? Oh, beautiful. Look at that.
Look at
And
that.
then we need some berry.
Is there another tiger option?
Stop filled.
We're gonna have to find a emoji for all of us.
Order filled.
Order filled.
The only rule is you're not allowed to choose your own. So you
Ah.
can't
Dude,
choose.
I already
something
have
like
my
an eagle.
I know what you guys are gonna pick for me. I'm worried. I know. I already know where this is going. This is not gonna end up
Sam,
well.
you just made this very fun. Actually, this is now I'm really interested. So
Now he's motivated. This is part of Tiger. This you need. I'm telling you, you got to have the bowling in here. Did you see I put the bowling in
All
last
right.
night, Paul?
Stop messing
When I
around.
was like,
I
hey,
did.
bowling
We gotta
buddies,
pass
what's up? And I
accounts.
put the little, yeah.
We got to take funding. We just took a
It is great.
266 loss here.
love it. Not many bowlers out there.
Oh, Eye of the Tiger. That's good too, man. That's perfect. Put a little Survivor. Start singing a little Survivor, guys. Rising up, back on the streets.
Back on my feet.
Took our time, took our chances. Oh, look at this move.
Oi, okay. Oh,
The
he's got in
breakout.
my area.
The breakout for Tiger. For
Stop.
Tiger.
Don't be
Where
so
did this
quick.
come from? We were snoozing.
Stop
Big
filled.
sweep up to
Stop filled.
Oh, this is a
64.15.
joke.
God
This
darn.
is a
And I
joke.
had my take profit. And
Nah,
man.
this is a joke.
it's okay.
This is
Not
an
a joke.
absolute joke.
It's not a joke.
It-
This is
it
trading.
Literally
man. This
dipped
is
into
fun.
the area I was waiting, and look what's happened.
Uh-huh.
Back end,
Yeah.
switch to my screen. Have a look at this. This is a
You
joke.
snooze, you
It's
lose.
'cause I
What can I
threatened the
tell you?
bears. That's not
PETA.
snoozing.
That's a
That-
PETA. That's a
that happened
PETA sweep right
instantly.
there.
Order filled.
Listen,
That was because
PETA
I
came in and
threatened
took you
3
out.
innocent animals. That's where
Order
I wanted
filled.
to sell, right? I've been waiting for how long now to sell
Yeah.
in this damn area, and it does it in one real quick split second and pushes down all the way. But
Yeah.
nah,
Yep.
these
There you
bears
go.
are getting it. No, there's no peace anymore. These bears have. They thought they were being smart there. They thought they were being sly. Like, aha.
I'm moving. I'm back in long. I got to
Maybe
take
it'll
profit
come
at
back.
all-time high. I got to take profit right over all-time
You can
high.
switch to Daryl's
Stop
screen.
filled.
I gotta declutter my stuff now.
That spike just basically literally hit the value area high from
Stop
yesterday
filled.
and then backed off, and now we're trying. So it looks like it's really trying to bust out of yesterday's value range. So there might be some exploration to the upside. Very interesting. Hopefully buyers can get through.
Well, if we get to 64.15, then I think we're clear for takeoff for the all-time high. We're just hanging out 64.12. Come on.
Oh, come on. Just go back in that area, please.
Oops.
Let me in the market.
Shoot. I gotta get rid of the sloth. He ain't doing it for me anymore.
This is such a joke.
'Cause now we're moving.
Order filled.
This is a joke. These bears are big. They're trying to be sly. They're trying to be smart. That's what it is. Trying to trick the system.
They don't like
not
your
gonna let
food
this fly.
choices, I'm telling you. They don't like your food.
No, they didn't like that I put a bow and arrow and a stick of dynamite next to their phone. That's why.
Stick of dynamite.
You wanted a reaction with the stick. The dynamite stick did it. Kaboom. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see here. I want to get break even because I don't trust this. I don't trust it out here. I think it could snap on me. But I don't want to
See,
get
I
in
wanna
break
get
even
in
and
short.
like, you know.
But
Yeah,
we're
this
just
is what I'm worried
too
about.
far up. My stop loss would be so big, and I don't like that.
Yeah.
I'm all right. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient. Maybe it goes back in the area. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Who cares? What can you do?
Yeah. That's essentially been my problem this entire day when I'm like, I see something, I'm like, yeah, I could take this, but my stop loss is just like a little too far, and just sit on the sidelines for now. There's something will pop up. Something will pop up.
Come on, buyers. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Move it. Skedaddle. Get up there. Ah, I gotta bring out the rocket. What the hell? Maybe that'll help me.
Rocket time.
Bring out the rocket. Let's do a little.
Rocket Man.
Let's do a little. Oh God, Elton, sing it.
It's the only part of the song I know. Rocket Man.
I think I'm with you on that.
What's fun? Something of a funny small story is whenever I go golfing with my father, every single time we'd be on the green, I'd be putting. I'd like rocket the ball essentially past the hole, and he'd always be singing
Right.
Rocket Man while I'm in my mid putt because he knows I'm just gonna blow it past the hole.
That's brilliant.
Yeah. Yeah, you're like, thanks for jinxing me.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh man.
Yeah, and I saw gold, guys.
Should've
I
put
did
a
see
limit on it.
gold. I saw gold was taking a good old downturn. I was looking at it when it was at 3,337.5, and I was like, ugh, I would love to get short, but at the same time, it's forming my arch nemesis of a pattern that I don't want to be a part of. So,
The infamous.
Well,
H.
what's interesting by holding here, I think, am I still sharing? Yeah, I'm still sharing. By holding here, we're starting to develop a nice little upper distribution, right? With a little bit of high volume node right here. So we're rotating. I'm happy with my stop where it's at. My stop is, point to, obviously my stop's here at 09 quarter, outside the noise. I could move it up a little tighter, but I'm willing to let this come down here. And obviously I'm looking to go long, but as long as we're in here and we don't get below this low volume, I'm okay at this point. Now, if we had that move where we had that sweep and it kind of came back down all the way down to like volume point of control or VWAP, then I would probably not have been as excited.
What's going on, man?
I saw it come up quick.
Okay, don't get crazy. Don't get crazy.
Kind of the premise of why I got in on that trade. And I'll sit and see what happens.
Order
like
filled.
to
Got a nice little bounce.
get long the NASDAQ or something if it pulls back a little bit further, but to get closer to like 23,395-ish, but I don't think it's going to let me.
Let's go. Push up. Let's go. Come on, buyers. Yeah, let's go. There you go. There we go. Breakthrough.
Rocket Man. Bam,
Let's
bam,
go.
bam, bam.
Rocket Man.
I
know you got it in you.
got in for
I know
a
you got it in you. Come on.
Pull up the
Let's
pull
go.
up the lyrics and sing it. I dare you.
Let's go.
Warn me first. I'll
I'm
take
all
my
sick,
earbuds out
bunged up.
before you start.
I don't
I'm
think
all
that's
sick
working
and
out.
bunged up. This is the last thing people want is to hear me sing. I'm in a short right now. I've got a really tight stop. Come on, sellers, don't allow those. Come on. I see a lot of absorption happening on the buy side, so I've got in short. I'm anticipating a hard move down any moment.
There is a lot of absorption
so
even on the
tight.
ES, but I'm expecting to push through. I'm expecting buyers to eat through it. You're expecting it to come down.
Come on, push through.
I've got a $70 stop on NQs and
Push
Right, I just
through.
got stopped out.
Tom's trying to help
No
you,
big deal.
Sam.
Push
Tom in the chat.
through. Push.
What is Tom doing?
Come on. Use your labor
What say? I
breathing techniques. No, get up there. Come on. Come on. Defend. Come on, freaking.
oh man.
Yeah, the Dow just got through its highs of the day, so
Oh, yeah.
we are rocking and rolling here.
Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Let's go. Let's freaking go
I got
up.
stopped
Come on.
out and now
Stopped
it's
out.
moving down. Literally to the T. To the T. It stopped me out on the dot. To the tick.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's
Let's
just a little
go.
bit too tight on stop, but it's fine. I'll jump
Up,
back in.
up,
The
up.
moment I see,
up.
okay, this is actually good now. That's it. I want it to go up a little bit so I can actually jump in at a better price. I don't like the price I'm in right now. Here we go. Go back to that area. That's it. That's it.
Could use a win.
Let's go. All-time highs. We're pushing through. We're pushing. I'm telling
Push
you.
up.
Here we go.
Push up. Come on. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me.
Through. Got about
Ooh,
300.
Give it to
what
me.
the hell happened there?
Give me the money.
Oh my god, what happened there?
Let's freaking go.
Oh,
Up. Up.
Okay.
Break through.
okay,
I need you to
something
break
big's
through,
about to
man.
happen. I don't know if it's going to go up or down though.
I
really
need
can't
you to
tell
break
But
through.
a
Come
huge
on.
amount of buy contracts just got executed. What?
Come on.
But they're being
Break
absorbed.
through to the
What the
upside.
hell just happened there?
I know you could do it. I know you could break through. Come on.
I feel like shorting
Come
it.
on.
You know what? I'm going to short it. Have a really
Come
tight stop.
on.
If I get stopped,
Short
I
it.
don't care.
Short it so I can go higher. Short it, please.
Something is going on. Something is happening.
Come on.
I've got $100 stop. Who cares?
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Bye-bye. You're gone.
Up.
You're gone,
Up,
Sam.
up,
You're toast.
up.
Am I toast? I'm actually in profit right now. What's going on? Are we looking at
Yeah,
different-
No,
guys,
no,
hold
no,
on.
no, no.
Hold on.
Up.
Well, I'm only looking on the ES. I don't know what the NQ is doing. I should be. To be fair.
Something is happening on the NQ. Something huge is happening. I'm seeing something big.
I feel like
about
sellers
to
are
happen,
getting
but
trapped.
I'm betting. I think it's buyers getting trapped. I think it's gonna. I think it's gonna.
Oh,
drop
it is.
down hard.
It is. It is. It is. Yeah, for sure.
But there's still some sort of like
There it
jitteriness
is.
about it. I don't know why. Normally when something like this happens, it just goes. Either way, I've got a really tight stop. Whatever happens, happens.
Oh,
There we
Oh,
go.
the buyers are coming back in again. What's going on?
Oh,
What is
man, that was
going
big.
on?
You're welcome.
Something big
You're
is
welcome,
about
folks.
to happen. It cleared that area. Yeah, I
Alright.
just got stopped out. It actually cleared that area. Wait a minute. Let's have a look. What happened here?
Don't this. I'm telling you.
Stop
I
fill.
accept
It's
your
doing it
apologies,
again. It's doing it again. It's getting more liquidity. It's doing it again. I'm still feeling short. Just the timing wasn't right. This is crazy. What is going on? Let's stop. There.
James, it's going up, fellas.
Thank you, James. I agree.
Something is
Thank you,
going on.
James.
Something is going on. This is the 17.
Listen to the voice of
Something is
reason. James and
happening.
I are the
Order filled.
old men here. We know what we're doing. It's going, baby.
Guys, I'm telling you, there is so much buy pressure trapped right now near the top. Something is happening. It's either going to be an aggressive move up or an aggressive move down, but something is about to pop off.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, and I'm okay with the
telling you.
rotation on the way to going up. I may get taken out, but I locked in another $200. If it takes me out, it takes me out. There we go. Cool.
Oh, man, I might want to
Cool.
short the ES.
Why are you going to short it when you're 5 points from all-time high? I mean, I understand if it rotates back, but I think we've broken out.
That's a good question. No, it was just
No, I
based
mean,
off
I'm
of this
not trying to
last,
be.
it was 2 minutes ago. There was like a huge push, and then it just slammed back down close to its opening print. So that just got me to say, like, I need to look to see if there is a short opportunity, essentially. Not that I necessarily am going to get short, but I just wanted to keep an eye on it for
I'm with you.
the next minutes
I'm with
here.
you. No, I'm with you. I'm being a little facetious when I ask, but I'm just.
Order
and
filled.
Moving like a madman.
I'm back in long. I got taken out I got stopped out with a $200 profit, so I'm back in long because I think it's just going to rotate right around this liquidity here. It may
Order
come down to
filled.
13 or so, and then revert up. If it moves up a little, I will add another contract. So I'm in with one lot at 14.75 is where I got in. For anyone else trading ES.
50 and there, 50. There's some sort of build up in. I'm probably gonna get stopped out, but that's fine. At some point, something big's gonna happen. I'll just need to catch the right time. I can see a huge build up happening, and one side is gonna pop. I just hope I'm in the market for that to happen. But I've got to keep my stops obviously really tight. So I might have like a few hits along the way, but then I'll catch that move. As long as I keep my eye on the market and the footprint, it will go down. I mean, not go down, but something will happen. The moment it becomes clear which direction, I want to be in the market. I don't want to miss this because something big is about to pop off. Like, I'm seeing the numbers. I'm expecting a big move down. Here it comes. Here it comes. Is this it? Is this it? Is this the aggression I was looking? I don't know. It seems quite aggressive, but it's not aggressive enough. I was expecting bigger. I'm expecting a proper plunge if it does happen. This looks like a liquidity grab, so maybe it will go up. All right, what's actually happening? Sorry, I just talked to myself. Ignore everything I'm saying.
No, it's okay.
I'm gonna have to listen to this. Okay, so
Order filled.
104 contracts traded. Both are buys.
Yeah, Eric, thanks for the vote of confidence, bro.
Okay, it has to. There's absorption in that area, which means there will be. What's the delta? It's 960. So it's a build up.
Order submitted.
How many contracts? I'm expecting some kind of aggressive move. We've had an aggressive push down, but that wasn't aggressive enough. That wasn't it. It's not what I think should have happened.
There was like an indecision candle at the top of the ES here, basically a doji candle that with a spike up, which was making me think short on the 5-minute time frame. But it is just so slow. Like, it's not dropping at all. Having a hard time.
We pushed down.
The volume is non-existent.
We pushed down actually quite nicely just there, but it just wasn't enough to follow through. That wasn't the move I'm expecting. I'm expecting, looking at the numbers that I'm looking at and the way it's like on a single price level. We're not talking about a range of prices. We're talking on a single price. Some big institution is bleeding out large amounts. We're talking billions of dollars. Something big is about to pop off.
So
If
I'm
we
looking
calculate
back
how
at
many
news
contracts that is,
on,
like,
well, you know that spike up we had at, what time would it have been? It would have been 10:35 for you, Paul, on the East Coast, 7:35 for me. That was a news release or just a headline stating that EU officials and diplomats stating that European framework trade deal with the U.S. could happen this weekend. So that caused our little reaction.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm saying. We don't have
that's
we don't have much scheduled news really left today, but we, you know, again, we're susceptible to any of this stuff that could hit at any moment. The fun, the joy, what we live for.
drop it to one tick. Drop it to one tick. That's 70, 60 contracts in there. Someone's absorbing. Someone is placing something. What is going on?
Presidential J. Yeah. Welcome, Presidential J. I haven't seen you in the chat. This is your first time. Welcome. Thanks for saying hi for us, Eric. You're the man. Eric's taking over moderator duties. I love it.
Eric's the best.
He truly is.
Order submitted.
Come on, where's that pop?
Yeah.
I'm expecting a pop. This might be it. Come on. Give me a pop. I know there's a pop. I know there's a pop. I see it building up. We're building up a huge amount of pressure right now. It's like
Stop filled.
it's like a canister, like building up loads of pressure. Okay, it's starting to push down. But I'm expecting like an instant kind of like boom, you know, one of those crazy
Order
moves.
filled.
Order filled.
That's what I'm expecting.
Mm-hmm.
We're not really. Come on, these contracts are just not being effective enough. Come on, show me that money. There we go. There's a pop. There's a pop. Don't get absorbed
Order
now.
filled.
Order filled.
Come on, you instantly got absorbed.
It's so funny
Come on,
to listen to you. It's so funny.
come on.
You need to
baby.
make that
Now.
arrow, that crossbow you have. You need to make that a cupid or something. A little more love. I think the crossbow
absorbed
or
these
bow and
sellers.
arrow, whatever the thing is not working.
I got out. But I was
Let's see if we have a
around this
cupid.
area here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
We just had. I don't know if my charts
Good
are up.
trade,
My
though.
charts are up. Yeah, around
It was a
this
good
area
trade.
here, like crazy stuff on the footprint. Like a huge build up. Like buyers were coming in on single levels, but not pushing really the market up.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
And they were
Stop
getting
filled.
trapped.
Stop filled.
Icebergs,
Usually
baby.
when you see such
Icebergs.
Order
volume-
Stop
canceled.
filled.
Yeah. Like you have this instant kind of boom reaction after a while. Like as soon as the pressure releases, bang, it just sort of floods down. And that's what I was expecting. But I mean, you could say, you know, a bit of aggression came in, but it wasn't
Order
like
Order
filled.
what I
Order filled.
Order
what I
filled.
initially anticipated. But it's fine. It's fine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy.
I think this is it, where we maybe move down to view up on the NASDAQ. We're just getting a small pullback on the Dow and the S&P.
I've added another contract long.
Order submitted.
Tough
Yeah.
markets, and our coaches
Sorry.
are getting some stuff done. Coach Daryl and Sam, man, you guys are putting on the green P&L in some tough, scrappy markets.
Yeah.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Yeah.
Must say.
Yeah,
No.
this,
You gotta
I hate
you gotta
trading
grind it
markets
out.
like this.
It's tough.
Eric
It's
Lake,
almost like
he's
it's
up over 5K.
what's he trading? What are you trading,
Damn.
Eric? I see that.
Good
Eric,
on you.
I'm gonna send you my Cash App. I'm joking. Mr. Moneybags Eric. That's Eric's emoji is just a big pile of cash. That's Eric's emoji. We found it.
Ah, that'd be awesome.
Big pile of cash with the sunglasses. Tom says, I mean, between your crossbow and dynamite, things are about to pop off. Yeah, I was hoping like there was going to be an explosion of some kind. We kind of got to move down, but it wasn't anywhere what I was expecting. So, but either way, good trade.
Indeed, for sure. Great trade. Great scalp.
Wow.
All right.
Ooh.
Here's the range. I think we messed up.
I'm a bit annoyed I got stopped out on those two little ones. Never mind. It's fine.
Hey, yeah,
That's what
it's
they're there
definitely
for. Stops
okay.
her. Stops her. Yeah, stops her. Don't
Order
sweat.
filled.
Order filled.
Oh.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
No, you guys carry on.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I saw some of that in the chat earlier, Sam.
Order filled.
Order filled.
And I think there's been some confusion about that, so we need to. I think we
Yeah.
need to address
So if you
this. This was also.
won an account,
Sorry, it was.
Carry on, Darren.
Go ahead. No, you go ahead.
Stop Phil.
Yeah,
Stop
if you
Phil.
won an account in our giveaways, the activation fee is not applicable to giveaway accounts. Okay, so they're completely free of charge. There's no
It's
payment
waived.
required from your end. The fee's waived. So if you win an account, you don't have to put a penny towards it. So
I think there's been some misinformation because when we started our stream, there was some chatter in there about it, and I think it was even some carryover from James and Alpico's previous session in there too, with a few disgruntled winners. But no, guys, there's no activation fee required, and Eric is a testament of that. He's putting it in Discord as well. That guys, if you won, there's no fee, so don't believe the hype.
yeah, and it's probably a good time to actually talk right now and say that there is a giveaway in this session. We are giving away a $25,000 challenge account to one lucky winner in this chat right now. So if you would like to have a chance to win and be entered to win,
Order
all you
filled.
got to do is
filled.
make sure you're subscribed to Ola Prime TV and our
Order
main
filled.
Ola
Order filled.
Prime YouTube channel. Also, make sure you
Stop
follow
filled.
us on Instagram, so Ola Prime TV on Instagram and Ola Prime Global on Instagram, so 2 different accounts. Secondly, you want to make sure you leave some kind of comment, make yourself known in the chat. And thirdly, this is very important to everyone watching, please make sure your email address is in your YouTube bio. Okay, if your email address is not in your YouTube bio or description, you will not be entered. So if you do those 3 things, you'll be automatically entered to win excuse me, to win a $25,000 challenge account with us in this session. So good luck, everyone. Excuse me, I'm a bit under the weather, so my voice might sound a bit rough.
Yeah, you're sounding good. You're hanging in there. All good, my friend. I totally agree.
Come on now.
There we go.
Order
Let's get up there.
filled.
Order filled.
Oh, liquidity is opening up. The skies are partying. I see it. Yes, they are. No, they are.
Skies are partying.
They are. The skies are partying. I gotta put some heavenly clouds or something up here too. I gotta add that to my arsenal, my
Coach.
emoji arsenal.
Coach Moses here, splitting the sea,
Coach,
splitting the
party the
charts.
red. With my staff, heart.
There's an emoji for that, the wizard one.
Oh yeah, like Gandalf or something, right? I could do that. I could do a total deal like that.
Exactly.
I'm still trying to find my Saturday Night Fever picture. I can't freaking find it. I'm looking for you guys. I'm not gonna let you down.
Dang.
I may have to bust out the hard copy, the print, the color print, and actually like scan it. Although the quality is probably pretty crappy from the late '90s or mid '90s, whenever it was done. So it's probably like 420 or something in real. But I'll get it up here, and yeah, I gotta find it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, let's push through. Where are we? 8:04 a.m. on the West Coast. You know, I know we're talking about how this is slow, but if you look at, I mean, if you imagine this is like you're reviewing the session and you're going back, or you know, you did some screenshots or what have you. If you were to look at just the action here, you wouldn't know any different, right? You'd say, oh, that looks pretty clean. I mean, this is pretty clean. You're in a range, you break out of the IB, you come up here, you got another upward distribution. it's only the fact that it's been a snooze fest and it's taken us over an hour and a half to get here. But aside from that, you know, when you look back at old trading books that have charts in them or anything, right, where there's just an image, you
on
don't
the wrong side of this trade.
I guess we don't think about how long maybe that took to develop. So kind of how yesterday was, I saw it pretty cleanly too. I know some of you guys were struggling, but I like
wrong time to start trading with the more
well, I mean,
contracts
trend
is
days
what
are awesome too.
I think
don't get me wrong, but
is the
when I can make a thesis and have my bias match up with my trade plan, it's perfect. I mean, and I'm not trying to you know, toot my own horn here, but I got to stop sitting here and just some of you viewers may ask, like, why did you put your stop here? Like, what's the reason for it? Only because it's below low volume. I could keep it out. I typically have a 5-point stop. I only have a 3.5 point stop currently. So I just moved it up because I don't want to give up. If I get taken out, which I'm totally prepared to get taken out, I don't want to give up another 1.5 unnecessarily with 2 contracts, right? So I just move it. I'm just moving it here and I'm leaving it here and I'm letting my auction do its thing. If the participants want to come down and slam this, go down to point of control or low of day and beyond, that's fine. I'll be out. But, you know, I mean, at some point for me, I got to trade.
Order filled.
I'm a trader. I want to put on trades, as you guys know. But I'm kind of proud of myself today as well as yesterday. I did wait and I sat on my hands for like a half hour. I didn't
Order
just
filled. Order
jump
filled.
in like a lot of us have been doing lately when the volatility's been increased.
Absolutely. Excuse me. Oh.
But I'm still not even at break even on my trade. I'm still back a little bit. So we wait and see.
Order filled.
Gotta get through that 15 area.
I'm looking at
I love the all
crude oil
green
right now.
today.
Yeah.
No, are you serious?
Order canceled.
Crude oil is rough too. It's just it's been dead over the last literally hour and 10 minutes. It's just been in a literally 20-cent range of sorts, which is super boring.
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean,
Stop filled.
Oh man.
I do get the feeling though, we'll get some moves. We'll get some movement at some point.
I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so. There's no guarantee. It doesn't have to do anything, but I hope so.
Guys, I'm going to be back in a couple of minutes. I just need to take some medicine, sort myself out. I can feel.
Yeah.
I can
No
feel
worries,
myself
by all
slowly
means.
dying.
Order filled.
Go restore
Okay.
yourself.
It's slowly dying. We're all slowly dying.
Ever so slowly. Exactly.
Oh,
That's the truth.
We're all...
Man, I'm looking at like I'm at the point where I'm
Stop
looking at
filled.
platinum and stuff, and there's really just not a whole lot of
That's
stuff
what-
going on.
When platinum moves, it really moves, but it rarely moves. What about natural gas? You were talking about oil just there. Is natural gas doing anything?
I actually did not
I
take
don't
a
trade
look
it
at
at
that.
all, but some people Some people looking at gas.
Order
also
filled.
ranging.
Order
filled.
It's doing the same exact thing that crude is doing in the sense of like it's
Stop
just
filled.
ranging.
Stop filled.
Yeah.
Maybe markets are just generally speaking kind of chill today.
Well,
Damn, we're just so dumb.
I think we tend to forget we are still in the middle of the summer in the U.S. Right?
Yeah,
Anyway,
you're true. That's true.
In the northern hemisphere, for sure. We're in the middle of summer, and maybe we've been spoiled by all of this movement we've been seeing since going back over a year. But usually
So
things are
dumb.
slow.
Why
and
are
it's a
why did we
Friday
trade so many contracts
in
on
July?
a day that we just
Half of Wall Street's already off to the Hamptons or wherever.
Order
and,
filled.
Order filled.
The guys in Chicago are getting on the boat on the lake, and it's just, it could be just one of these days where, they've made their money. We've hit a lot of all-time highs. Things are
Order
people
filled.
are just like, we'll see what happens over the weekend. Come back on Monday.
Yep.
But that's how it
think,
used to be.
Yeah, I think you're kind of you're dead on there. I do. I wasn't even thinking about. I forgot about the fact that you were in late July. It's usually, if there was a time for it to be a
People
little bit
are on
quiet,
vacation.
it would be now.
Yeah,
Order filled.
Yeah.
Next week that'll all change though. They'll all be back to make sure that they're at their desks so that they can trade whatever that news is between the FOMC and the tariffs. I'm sure.
I know that's kind of the whole thing is what's going to come out over the weekend. What's so crazy is it wasn't very long ago when when Israel was attacking Iran, we were trying to take out the nuclear facilities and all this craziness, and that just seems like eons ago, like forever. Gaza seems like forever, like really, really a long time ago. All these things. I mean, when's the last time you heard about Ukraine and Russia? It seems like weeks.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just, and I know the markets are forward, leading.
Order filled.
And I mean, they like comfortable,
Stop filled.
predictable. I guess you'd say expectancy because it is future. Whenever there's like
Order
a war
filled.
that starts
Filled.
with some kind of disruption, they freak out at first because it just shakes things up because they like things very calm, cool, collected, very predictable. And then maybe if you're trading some defense stocks or something, if it's a drawn out war, those really get amped up because you're manufacturing, ammunition and machinery and things to fight a war. But excuse me, it just seems like all this stuff is so far in the past, and it's really not.
Yeah, I agree. It does feel like that. Like the last thing I
Maybe
heard
we
about
have news
Ukraine
overload.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
I think so. And the last thing I heard about Ukraine was like literally like over a week ago, and it was something about like Trump resupplying them or something. It was like a very minor headline that wasn't meant to shake anybody or anything really. But I can't believe that's still
like he's encouraging
happening.
He's encouraging like Zelensky to go bomb Moscow or something.
Why am I doing that? That's crazy.
Yeah.
You can't do that. I mean, that'll
Order
don't need
filled.
this.
you're really
filled.
gonna poke the bear. You're really gonna. I mean, jeez.
Yeah, we need that to be calm so the markets can settle down a bit and trade
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
in a relatively normal way. So
Yeah, I mean, even when Iran was threatening to, close off the Strait of Hormuz and, or even, anything that would stop cargo oil, right? I mean, it was just a little. I don't even think it was like 3 days of a spike in oil. It wasn't even didn't. I don't even think it got over like
Yeah.
$75 a barrel. It was crazy, you know. And it just kind of shrugged it off, like, yeah, you know,
Yeah.
you know, Houthi rebels, all this stuff, Suez Canal. We haven't heard. There hasn't been. It's just like, God, that seems like 20 years ago or something. Just ridiculous.
Yeah.
All this stuff.
It is crazy how well the markets have shrugged a lot of that stuff off. And
Stop
where
filled.
we're
Stop
trading
filled.
now, yeah, you would think like none of that has ever even come about at any point. So
I know. I know exactly. You could have been like Rip Van Winkle, gone to sleep in the mountains, come back down, and oh, everything looks the same. Same. What happened? Nothing. It's like
exactly. Exactly.
But it is crazy, man. It's so crazy.
I wonder. I was close to just taking a short on
Order
the,
filled.
the Russell here, but
You
I
want
feel
to do
like
the
I could-
Russell? You do. Oh man.
I really do, but it's just every time I take a look at it, I should, you know what I should do? I should be setting alerts.
What's-
That's what I need.
Show
to be
me
doing.
the
I'll-
Russell. I want to see it. You want to switch
Yeah, yeah,
over?
yeah.
And show me what I was gonna
Yeah, for
just
sure.
pull up the Russell, but we might as well switch to you. Cool.
So
Back
I'm
end
just on.
it
This is
today.
the daily.
These guys are sharp.
So this is the daily time frame. Going back to April-ish here.
Yeah,
It is, you know, it has been following a tight trend on the daily.
Order
staying
filled.
above
Order filled.
The 50 period EMA and relatively speaking, the 21 period EMA. But as of the last couple days, when we were seeing, you know, the S&P and everything like breaking highs, we had this like the Russell come off.
Order canceled.
filled.
Come off highs, its recent highs. So, and we're obviously not even. I don't even think we're here. Let's pull up the 1 month here. The highs for the Russell is like 20, almost 2,600, close to 2,600. So
Yeah.
we're still a little like, you know, 300-ish points off the highs, which is a decent bit. But on the 5-minute here, let's reset.
I mean, I don't think it's.
So, yeah. Big
I don't think it's
sell-off.
bad not to trade the Russell. I mean, the Russell's going to move. You just have it. You know, it's just more small cap stuff, which is fine. It's. You may even get more
Yeah.
volatility. It may be like the NASDAQ in some ways. You know,
Yeah.
it's just.
And now what we have is we have this area. We had the sell-off this morning, and then we kind of based out here. We came back up to VWAP, and then we came back down, and we're like triple bottoming here. And I'm curious as to whether or not
Yeah,
this
that's
is just going to
interesting.
be it's going to be a
Order
support
filled.
area,
Order filled.
and we're going to maybe try and recover some of the losses on the day, but it's an odd area. It's odd. It's an odd one.
When was the all-time high put in for the Russell?
Here you go. Let me
Probably just go down to a daily and see it, right?
set chart view. So like November.
Sam, only speak when you need to. Don't feel like you have to do anything.
No,
You
I'm
can
all
speak
good,
through
I'm
your
all good.
emojis. You could speak through your crayons and your
I'll do sign
pastel
language.
and watercolors.
I'll just do sign language. I don't know. I actually don't know sign language, but
Yeah, you do. You know a few.
everyone knows this
Yeah.
one. I'm not going to say what it is.
Yes.
Why does everyone know that?
I don't know. Yeah. Watching too many movies, I
It means
suppose.
I
don't
wish
know.
you have a great trading day. What it means.
Yeah.
Have a great trading day.
Ah, man. Yeah, Eric, I'm green. Let's keep it that way. Yeah, definitely. This week has been I was saying it yesterday. This week has been a little bit of a more rough week for me, but I'm glad to, get to the weekend and be refreshed and hopefully, have a much better week next week. So, not, every once in a while you're going to have a bad week here or there. So it's not the worst. I minimized my losses.
I don't think you had a bad.
time.
I don't think you had a bad week at all. I mean,
yeah.
You just
I learned
you
a
just
lot.
taken little.
That's the good thing.
Yeah. No, I'm serious. You have not had a
Stop,
bad week
Phil.
Stop, Phil.
whatsoever. I mean, a bad week is losing blowing an account, losing 10 grand, losing 20 grand, losing,
Order
$200
canceled.
or so.
Stop
That's-
filled.
Yeah, that's nothing, man.
All right, that's it. I gotta go.
Especially like you
I
said,
definitely.
Peace.
you're
We just almost
experimenting.
blown an
you're
account.